Hello and a very warm welcome to Jude Chi Living a Colourful Life, and we are on personal pamper time today. So this is video 2 and we're working from top to toe, and today I'd love to make an oil blend with you, which is going to be we're going to use to really nourish the neck, skin, lifting the chin, so it's a little bit of facelift for around this area, and just such a lovely thing to do. And I will show you how to apply the oils when we have made the blend. So just to remind you, this is a little series of 7 pamper videos, so do click the subscribe button, and that will mean that you're not going to miss anything wonderful on how to pamper and nurture yourself beautifully. Also keep in mind that any of the products that I'm using will be listed for you, and if you click the little downward arrow which is just beside the title of the video, you will be able to pop in and see what we're using so that you can gather the things you need to pamper yourself. So we're mixing up an oil blend today, and I have already popped some sunflower oil in this little 50ml bottle here, and I have simply got sunflower oil that came from the local supermarket store. You can order it online, but it's something that you've probably got at home or very easy for you to get. So it's a lovely inexpensive way to create a wonderful oil that will be so supportive and so helpful for your skin. So I've chosen 3 oils, and the essential oils that I have chosen today are chosen for 3 different reasons. One that I have chosen is rose geranium. It's a lovely little purely essential oil here. You'll find the link below. And rose geranium is a type of geranium, and the lovely thing about it is it has a real caressing, nurturing feeling about it, but also it slightly increases the circulation, which is really wonderful around the neck and around the jaw, so that it gives lots of circulation to the tissues, to the muscles, to all that area, which helps it feel more lifted and more refreshed. So we have the rose geranium. I'm also going to pop in some orange. Orange is a wonderful optimistic oil, and it has got a real freshness, but at the same time it's got a slight spiciness to it, which is really nice in this area. So from there we are moving from using the orange to adding some ginger. And ginger might be a surprise to you to add, but ginger is fabulously astringent and it really tones the skin. So it can be really helpful in a small amount if we add it, and that's what we're going to do, just in a small amount in this bottle of oil. So because I've already popped the sunflower oil in here, I can add the drops straight to this bottle. So in 50ml here, because we're going to be working around the lower part of the face, I'm probably only going to be adding a maximum of 20 drops to this bottle. So I'm going to add 8 rose geranium because it is quite a strong oil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can always adapt it later if you need to. And then with orange I'm going to add 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Much faster to come out of the bottle. So we've got the flower, we've got the fruit, and then we've got this lovely woody, rooty, resinous ginger. It is strong. I'm only going to recommend it. I'm actually only going to put in 1 drop, and if I feel I need it, I will add another, but I'm going to leave that at 1 just now. So on goes the lid, and just infuse those oils together. You don't have to shake it, you can just turn it and they will all blend and marry together in there, and then we can see how the blend is. So when you've made your blend, there's a couple of things that's going to be handy to have, and one is a towel. So I've just got a kitchen towel here, and also a bowl of warm water, and that is to apply the oil. So one of the ways that I find that essential oils and oil blends are more easily absorbed by the skin is if we add a little bit of warm water first. So I'm just popping on my clean hands some warm water onto my hands, and I'm simply going to rub my hands up my neck, up either side, up onto my chin, up the side of my face. So if you notice, I'm always moving up the way, and there's a little bit of dampness there now. I then get my blend. I'm going to pop some into the palm of my hand. I am going to put the top on because many times I've knocked over the bottle of oil and it's all gone on the first application. So just to be on the safe side, warm the oil in your hands, and then again working up your neck. It's a gorgeous blend. It feels just right for me. So working there, you can work right down onto the chest, onto your décolletage, and allow yourself to really feel that you're giving yourself the most fabulous facelift, lifting up the side of your face. And if you just stay around the jawline, it does really allow you to feel like you're lifting everything and giving yourself literally a lovely little facelift. And it smells absolutely divine. So just working there. There we are. Working up, right the way up the chin towards the ears. You can work along our collarbone. Oh, it's so soothing and so relaxing. And the oils are designed to, yes, nourish and nurture the skin, and they absorb so well when you add that little bit of water. It's fabulous. So a lovely little tip there that I am sharing with you from Jude Chi, Living a Colourful Life. And that feels absolutely lovely. Now, I've probably only spent a couple of minutes doing that, but it is something that's in my daily practice. Always in the morning as I meet the day, I think, yes, let's do a little bit of popping some oils in there. And it's just a really nice start to the day, or indeed a lovely way to finish the day. These oils are fine to use in the morning, fine to use in the evening. They're very balancing and very, very good for nourishing the skin. And always remembering, working up the way. That is the tip. There we are. So, yeah, a lovely little pamper practice, deeply helpful, and help to just keep everything toned there. There's lots of other little moves we can do, but I don't want to bombard you with lots of things. What we have done today is enough, and I'm just going to rub the rest of this oil into my hands and arms. And it really is a beautiful blend. And obviously, if you have other oils that you really like, you can use them. If you're concerned about using them on your face, then you could use less of the essential oils in here. You really can. It's not a problem at all. So I'm using around 20 drops. I think today I used 18. But you could bring it right down to only using 10 drops and see how your skin is. But I can guarantee that you will feel the most kind of nourishing difference in your skin. Your skin will feel plumper, it will feel full, it won't feel parched in any way. Please, folks, keep in mind that sunflower oil and essential oils have no sun factor. So if you are using these in the morning, then do remember that you would still need a sun factor on if you're then going out into the glorious sunshine. And in Scotland we have had some beautiful sunshine so far. It's the start of the summer, but the weather has changed again, so I don't need to worry about having a sun factor today because it's very heavy rain out there, but it's sunny in my kitchen when I'm with you. So thank you for joining me, And do remember to subscribe so you can see more of these little video clips. And if you press the little bell in the YouTube channel, then that also means you will get a little ting every second day to see that there's a new video ready and uploaded for you to have a personal pamper time. So do have a wonderful rest of day, and let me know if you have any feedback or anything you would love to learn about in aromatherapy, and I would be delighted to help with that. So thanks for sharing time, and keep an eye on what's happening next, and we will be moving on to making a very luxurious night care cream, a midnight magic night care cream. So that's next up, so keep an eye for that. And have a wonderful rest of day or rest of evening. So it's bye from Jude Chi, living a colourful life. Doesn't seem to want to turn off today, so I'm going to need to do that manually. Do excuse the technological hitch.